Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Shruts. I am
Jojo!
Today we are gonna laugh, and I hope we are because it's Kenny Sebastian, so I'm sure we are. He's one of my favorites, and after a long time, he's released a video. And what got me the most excited is that it says archery classes, and you know how
So,
I
which
feel.
is what that's what I thought. I thought you would have, like picked out of all the requests, picked this video out because archery dekhte hi jo ko kuch hona shuru ho jata hai. Because she has been archer for a really long time, and she used to fully do. Up to lockdown, I doubt, highly
I
doubt you've gone
know.
anywhere.
I'm dying to go back to the range, but TK, we'll vicariously live through this video.
Yes, and plus it's going to make us laugh, and after such a long time. So, I'm ready.
Chalo, let's do it. Archery
ठीक है.
classes, best and worst memories. Kenny Sebastian. Chalo. Oh, my volume. Okay. 1, 2, 3, play.
You did CA, right? But CA guys don't go to college.
No, in a sports class.
Sports class?
I go for an archery class and
I'm sorry, ma'am. Why are you talking like this is normal? You go for an archery class.
It's quite normal.
This is Jojo.
Is there a war coming? Guys, I'm not prepared. Very nice. Okay, so you must be wondering why I asked you to write best and worst memories. Because I notice, obviously, is when I'm with my friends, the memories we laugh hardest for are the worst memories, right? But when you're in them, it was no laughing matter. Like, it was a genuinely horrible point in your life. But then your best friend obviously will bring up the bad memories only, because when you were going through the bad memory, you called your best friend with confidence
And trust.
that their purpose is to listen and support, but their agenda is different. They're like, oh, this is some nice blackmail information. Or what about just let's make fun of them for this. So if you're in some shit right now, that logically means that you laugh about it someday, and I think that's a good thing to know when especially nothing is positive except our results. So we need. Thank you, Yash. Yash is the Amitabh Bachchan of the show. You've seen Big Boss, obviously. I haven't seen Big Boss. He is the big boss. He doesn't laugh at every joke. He'll only laugh at something randomly. Big Boss Kushua. He also judges, so be careful. I don't judge. I am very open. Yash, I don't know. We have done this show for a while. It's very fun and interesting because everyone's definition of bad memories or trauma is very different. Someone's best memory is someone's worst memory. Like someone wrote, my best memory is we were at a party and they dragged me to the center of the dance floor and I got to dance in front of everyone. I showed my best moves. For someone, this is worst memory. Yeah, like fucking don't drag me and make me dance. Someone's best memories was the day I got married. So on and so forth. Right? Very interesting. So it just makes you realize it's all just perspective. Okay? Okay. Let's start with the first shit. Good memory, watching mom reruns on TV. Okay? And bad memory, not seeing Lucky Ali in Goa. Who's this?
That can't be a memory. That's
Hi.
a regret.
Wait, Lucky Ali was performing? Oh yeah, he was performing in Goa. How long was he performing for?
I don't know. We keep seeing his live shows in Goa.
Wait, so you didn't check when he's performing? Madam, you can't just go to Goa and be like, it's fucking Lucky Ali. I am Kalangut Beach. Lucky Ali. Lucky Ali. Lucky. And just look at a tree. He's like, oh, son. Fucking, he's on that tree, dude. Classic Lucky Ali, just sitting on a tree. Lucky Ali, please perform. What happened? Is it perform? You said he'll perform in Goa. Yeah, I gave dates. I don't just randomly perform every day in Goa. Lucky Ali, you say you perform. Lucky Ali. No, I'll tell you why. This happens to me also. All the time I get messages like, Kenny, I'm in Bombay. Why are you not performing? Are you insane? I have a life. Why are you not performing? I was in Bandra. I thought you'll be performing in Bandra. What is this? It's so bizarre, man. Anyway. Okay, I'll just quickly ask. Best memory is getting my first tattoo. Who's this? What tattoo is it, sir?
It's a wolf tattoo.
Oh, he's a bro. He's a bro. I feel, sir, you can get something little chill also, but you're too bro, you're too far gone. You like go to the tattoo parlor, like, kya chahiye? The most hardcore motherfucking wolf. He's like, sir, relax, sir, you don't have to be so bro with me, sir.
Bro.
No, I'm fucking bro, man. Give me bro, wolf tattoo. It's like, okay, no, I want wolf to give me a wolf. I want a wolf to stand with a mirror and fucking make his face on my... Where is it? Is it on your biceps, your back, your shoulder? Where is it? Biceps. Bro! Just flex. Ah! Come on! I like the attitude difference between guys and girls for tattoos. Guys are just like, fucking see it! On the face and chest. Girls are like, my ankle. I'm doing this crazy thing. I'm getting a tattoo. My ankle. Fucking so dumb. I also want to get a tattoo, but I don't have balls. Oh wow, best memory, birth of my daughter. Worst memory, misplaced bag full of money. Who's this?
Sounds shady.
Ma'am, why do you have a bag full of money? What is this bag full of money? Drugs का shipment हो जाएगा ना? हाँ, और बेटी पे मुबारक. Thanks. Best memory. How did he misplace? What is the story? Please tell
So
us.
actually, I was small that time, and we were on vacation with my parents.
How small were you?
I was in 7th standard.
And someone gave you the.
My dad gave me the bag to carry.
Okay.
And that time we didn't have debit cards or credit cards. So in the park we were waiting.
Ma'am, how old do you think I am? I'm 30. I know back then there were no debit cards. The phone was like this and all. I know all that. TV didn't have remote, cassette. I know all that. I'm not that young, yeah. And then?
So I forgot it in a garden on a bench, and we just left.
Just left.
And then after walking for a kilometer or something, we were just roaming around, and then I realized I forgot the bag on the garden. But it wasn't there, and nobody took it up.
Oh! But what is the money for?
Because for the traveling purpose, everything. So
Okay. This sounds like something a dad would do. No? This sounds like an idea. No mom will ever attach of anything of value. It's amazing. Moms have a nice duality. They value and fucking don't value a child at all. It's quite amazing, the duality of it. Dads will do all this weird shit like, Acha beti, diamond ring, just hold this diamond ring. No, I'm bungee jumping, just hold it. I don't know why dads do this weird. But I'm very intrigued about. I think your dad did some smuggling. Because you're the ultimate alibi. Like if a cop comes, they'll be like, क्या हो रहा है? Sir, बेटी है मेरी. बेटी को check कर गया. पता नहीं सर आपके ethics कहाँ हैं? बेटी है सर बेटी. And the moment it happens, like drugs वाले अंकल आ गए. नहीं drugs वाले नहीं. Baby, drugs. It's प्रतीक अंकल ना प्रतीक अंकल drugs देंगे नहीं drugs. आटा देंगे आटा. Okay.
Aata.
Ultimate alibi. Ma'am, you were part of this drug cartel, you didn't even know. Just ask your dad. Just be like, Dad, sit down. Be like, what happened in that park that day? Petty. You're old enough. Okay. We have 2 chits remaining. And this is best memory clearing CA final. Worst memory seeing my ex after the breakup.
Oh.
Who's this? How did you see your ex? Like, what is the situation? What is? Acha, then you expected it, no?
yeah, but I was hoping he'd not be there.
How you are? What is this? After he broke up with me, oh yeah, most people who break up with me just drop dead immediately. What is this hope, ma'am? What? There's no logic only. You did CA, right? Yeah. But CA guys don't go to college.
No, in a sports class.
Ah.
Sports
Oh.
class.
I go for an archery class, and
I'm sorry, ma'am. Why are you talking like this is normal? You go for an archery class.
It's
Is there a war coming? Guys, I'm not prepared. Fucking, if there's a war coming, you guys are preparing and not telling me, I'll be very upset. Hey, archery class, dude. Man, what's your name? Sharmisha, first of all, is this archery class in Bombay?
Yeah, it's in Dadar.
In Dadar, archery classes happen? I thought all the things that happen in Dadar is just people's shoulders hitting each other. Wow, in Dadar you go for archery. What's a horrible location? Because if you miss, you'll hit at least 5 people. अरे वो तो target नहीं था यार. Clapping has begun for some reason. Correct. क्योंकि दादर में there is lot of population. This is a factual joke. Clap करो. Correct. Just laugh. Why did you go like archery? You've always been into archery?
No, I actually started just with a 1-month course
And-
and I really liked it. That's
I
why.
mean, that's how we all start archery.
That is.
No one takes that 5-year commitment. 1 month करेंगे, then maybe sword, and then maybe cannons, and then we'll go to medieval dark ages and go to England and win the war. What other cool things do you do? Like you do archery, what else do you do?
As a hobby, I dance.
Okay. I'm disappointed.
Archery is not a hobby.
And from archery, at sky was the limit. And then you're like, I do dance. How these two worlds are intersecting is blowing my mind. What type of dance do you do?
I used to train in Bharatnatyam.
Okay.
But that was back in school.
And then you got into archery. Why you got into archery? Give me 2 reasons.
She found it cool.
Sorry?
She found it cool.
Why are you answering for her? Huh? What is going on? This is very suspicious. Let her answer. Why do you got into
It was very general. I had time to kill. And it was just
time to kill? Interesting choice of words. Time to kill. Who the fuck uses that expression in normal day-to-day? Hey, what?
Archery.
Why are you painting today? Just time to kill? Nobody uses that expression unless that's the agenda. So this guy is also in archery. So you guys are just like shooting arrows. Suddenly both the arrows touched. क्या यही प्यार है? Is that how it happened? Is he very good at archery?
Yeah.
Is that why you? Why do you like him?
That's attractive.
Very suspicious. I like how that is the thing we spoke about in the chat. And the chat, you're just like, my ex-boyfriend. And you have such an interesting life. Is there a class to stop arrows? Is there a class? I feel there should be a class and there should be a backup plan. What's your name again? Sharmisha, when you get pissed, do you like shoot arrows at your friends? Do you like randomly like see the tensile strength of strings when you like if someone ties like a I don't know blouse, do you like do tung tung, do you do that? I don't know. Do you look at the world differently, Sharmisha? Is my question. Man, imagine if you fight with her, she'll throw the remote, she won't miss only. I have like another 5 minutes of just archery jokes. She's like, don't pull my strings. She's like, huh, which one? Which one? I just have 5 minutes of these. I don't know what, you've activated something in my brain. I am so excited now. Man, what a great show this will be. It's about a girl who likes a boy and they're doing archery. And this is one guy who tries to get Sharmisha's attention all the time, but he's like, Sharmisha, Sharmisha, he just keeps getting stabbed. But no one, camera never pans to him only, he's just getting stabbed. Such a cool show it'll be. Very nice. In the end, the alpha guy will come. And then the guy will feel jealous. The alpha guy is showing attention to Sharmisha. Alpha guy doesn't even look. Shoots like this. He shoots and then he does this. Just, like he takes logs and throws like that. Sharmisha's not impressed though. She's like, whatever. But this guy's like, who's this girl? I'm getting impressed. So 2 of these guys are like trying to get your attention. Throwing arrows, they're throwing stuff at the wall. And she's like, no. Then they're like, what do you want? And then her dentist friend speaks on her behalf. Sharmisha would like a man who is beyond cute. That is what she wants. She will not speak to anyone except me.
So
And like, they're really like huge alpha guy. He's like, any target you give me, I'll get it, Sharmishta, but then you have to marry me. Then she's like, hits the dentist friend. Sharmishta has a target for you. It's the moon. And then he's like, cool. And then he takes like the biggest log he can find. He runs towards this guy. Keeps throwing, not hitting the moon. He's failing. Then your original guy comes to you. He's like, I can't do this challenge. And then the dentist friend is like, why?
because you're the
Because I
moon.
can't hurt your eye. She's like, what do you mean? It's because I see the moon in your eyes. Oh! Oh! That's how the show ends. But then she rejects him anyway. She's like, why? You're not cute.
Dude, he made a full film out of it only.
He
was in his
carried
own
it for
zone.
a while, huh? He
Yeah.
ran with it for a while. My God.
Yeah. Crazy. Why did you take up archery, Joe? Hobby?
No, I also had time to kill.
Said, what's the best way to kill time? Archery. Yeah.
No, I
very nice.
honestly, I loved. I mean, we all grew up on Ramayana and Mahabharata, so I was always
Yeah.
fascinated. And then I'll tell you what really inspired me in the years when
Can I
I
take
started.
a guess? Can I
Huh.
take a guess? Paulo
Huh.
Coelho?
No, Paolo,
Oh.
yes, I used to love. I used to read his posts and all, but there was no shooting range where I lived at that time. When I,
Huh.
in the early days. But then, but it always stuck in my mind because of him. Yes, because he used to post about archery being this, amazing sort of time for him to go inside and be all,
Yeah.
meditative.
Yeah.
So I then got inspired after I watched Arrow. Do you know the Green Arrow show?
Oh, yeah. I love
Stephen Amell.
Arrow.
So when
Yes.
I got obsessed with Arrow, and then I was like, you know what? I have to find a range now. And then I went
Oh.
to the corners of the world and found a shooting range, and then I'd go like every other weekend.
Yeah.
And then everywhere I try, like so for me, and this girl sounded like my soulmate, like my soul sister, by the way, because
Huh.
she was like, I dance and I do archery, so that's the same, right? So anywhere I would travel before, I would seek out a salsa club and go dancing in any part of the world. And then
Correct.
when I got into archery mainly, I would seek out the archery clubs wherever I was traveling, and just to kind of shoot with people I don't know, because they normally have these like these amateur competitions in most clubs
Acha.
on a weekly
Okay.
basis. So I went to one in London, let me tell you, and I hit bullseye with my first arrow, and this was like a sort of, they were giving us the basics and then letting us compete. And the teacher, she was like, maybe you don't need this lesson. I was like, yeah.
You're in the wrong
So,
place. Huh,
No, it's fun.
nice.
It's fun because you compete. There are very strict rules on the range. You can only go and collect your arrows after, it's like very safe. It's a very safe
Yeah,
thing. And it
yeah.
really, like for me, it's just like, it lets me zone out from everything and just
Yeah,
be.
yeah.
So, but it takes a lot of strength. I was first in
Yeah.
my first class. I used to think, oh my God, they're only giving me 20 arrows for this, this 1 hour,
Yeah.
whatever I've paid for. But trust me, within 5 arrows, your shoulders are hurting. It takes a
Yeah,
lot of strength. So by
yeah.
the time you get to the end of shooting those 20 arrows, you're like, oh my God, workout ho gaya pura. Like for the
Correct,
week.
correct.
It's
Oh
it's
my
a fun
God.
thing. People should try it
Yeah.
more. I don't know why people don't think of
I
it.
already figured out. So I know about this other class, and there's another one which is in Navi Mumbai, and there's another one which is in Ghatkopar somewhere. So I had already figured out my classes. I was about to begin when the lockdown started. I'd
okay.
already called them, booked my whatever, everything was sorted. And then like ये lockdown हो गया, I was
अब
like,
lockdown के बाद
कभी
ही
तो life
होगा.
में,
I
कभी
know
तो life
there's
में I will. Yeah.
there's a range now like 10 minutes from my house, and I've been
Huh.
calling them every 3 months to see if they've opened up, but because of lockdown they haven't. Though I don't know why, because they actually have
It's-
enclosed glass door little
Yeah.
rooms where each archer stands
It's all very
separately and shoots.
separated. Yeah.
Yeah, so you can actually, but anyway, I don't know. I just hope.
Shoot karo.
But this video, super funny, yeah.
Dude.
I missed Kenny.
And I love how he goes into these storytelling moments. So it's not like back-to-back jokes packed in, and the set is not like that. It's more like a storytelling and how he's casually chatting with you, how a friend would chat, like say in a party, and then
Yeah.
they're just funny. That friend is funny, so whatever they're doing is funny.
He
Yeah.
builds. So this is almost crowd work because he's reading out their
Yes.
chits. So it's so spontaneous. It's hilarious. The Lucky Ali was hilarious. He was like,
It was
Lucky
पेड़
Ali,
पे
you
बैठा है.
perform
That
now.
was very funny. That was
But-
very funny.
But your worst memory can't be a concert you missed. It would be your worst memory would be not being able to buy the tickets or not
Yeah,
getting
or
entry
reaching
into the
there and
venue.
getting the, or reaching there and realizing that the ticket you bought was for a different day. Like, you know, you missed it because, hey, it was the same time yesterday. You know,
Yeah,
that could be like
yeah.
a crazy, yeah.
Yeah,
But
so
okay, she
random.
was feeling strongly for it, so which
I
is
know.
good.
But the whole
So we got the
wolf,
paid पे
the
बैठ.
wolf tattoo and the you're a bro.
I was sure he'll be like that. It'll flex and the wolf will like kind of bark at you or something like that will happen. It'll
Or
howl
the
at you.
eyes, the
Like, you know,
eyes will like
the
look
eyes
into
will
your
pop out.
soul. Yeah.
It's so funny.
Have
Oh,
you
but he's
seen-
very good, yeah. I would love to see more of his stuff as soon as, like, you know, if he releases more stuff.
Yeah.
So, which I'm sure he will now that things are opening up and, you know, now shows have started a little bit. So,
But
अब
what
I
do you-
think होना चाहिए.
What do you think of tattoos though, generally?
I really like, and I love
Mm.
your tattoo. I love your
Thank you.
the feather that you have, right?
Peacock feather. Yeah.
Yeah, peacock feather. That's stunning.
Mm.
So everyone I know all around me, everyone has tattoos. I have been like kind of designing my tattoo forever. I don't know which day. I think I need to stop designing and just land there and be like, "Jo karna hai, kar do." Like, you know, needs to be one of those.
No,
things.
no.
But yeah.
So my thing with tattoos is I never thought I'd get one, but there
Yeah.
was just that moment in my life where I needed a little reminder of a few things. So my tattoo is a combination of a couple of things, but it was very
Yeah.
like it was deeply thought about, and every element
Yeah.
of it was, you know, that has a meaning to it. I find the
So
whole
that's exactly.
I
That's the
find the
reason
whole,
why I've
like-
been waiting. But yeah,
no finish.
say.
I
No,
know
I was
you
just saying
you've been
that's why-
designing it, right?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
so because I want like a really like I want different moments of my life that really matter to me. Put together in like one symbol, and those symbols placed like in a kind of a in a shape. So I've been designing that for a while in that sense. So yeah.
But
so I guess
no,
what
this
we-
is
what do you
yeah.
say?
So that's what I'm saying. Like it is very it's kind of symbolic for me. It's kind of
Yeah.
weird in my head. I don't know how. It's difficult for me to grasp the idea of landing at a tattoo parlor and not knowing what I want
Yeah.
and just going nuts
Yeah.
on my body, like do whatever on my body on the
Correct.
you know, for a whim or just in the moment. That I just like I can't, because freaking hell, it's painful.
Permanent.
It's
And it's
permanent and it's
permanent, yeah.
painful. And I'll tell you something, after getting a tattoo that I spent so much time designing and then sitting for 5 hours to get it done, or 5.5, whatever, I came back home and I looked at it and I started crying, and I cried the whole night because I was like, what have I done? Will I regret this? Because it's so permanent. The permanence of
Yeah.
it then hits you. The permanence of it hits you and you're like,
Correct.
and then the next morning I woke up and I was like, no, I love it. I actually love it. It's very,
Yes,
very
yes.
symbolic for me. It stands for a lot of things. So
Oh, it's
then
lovely. It's also timeless. The thing that you've gotten done is very timeless. So
Thank
it's
you.
lovely. Yeah.
Thank you. But yeah, it the reality of it is this, that sometimes and that's why I can't imagine people who just do anything, you know, because it does hit you later that, oh shit, this is
Yeah.
permanent. So anyway.
Best is वो लोग जो you know ऐसे full emotion में अपने like you know their partner का lover का नाम लिखवा लिया
Oh
और उसके
God.
बाद breakup हो गया.
Arey,
And then you're like,
you and
now
my
what?
friend, you know who I'm talking about.
Yes. This is really crazy.
I'm
It's
gonna
like you
send
get
him
all that
this.
done.
But
And
I'm-
few people get like, yeah. So then it's like, now what to do? So then you have to go to one very creative person. Now at least there
And
are,
cover it
you
up.
know,
Mm.
yeah, to get an additional thing done. Or now at least, luckily, now the removal, you know, procedures have come where you
Yeah,
can
but
remove it, but it's a full process.
It's a
by itself.
process, and it's apparently 5 times more painful than doing the tattoo. So people who are really like,
Right.
yeah, I can't even imagine, because the tattoo itself is so painful. But I didn't cry. I was very proud of myself while they were doing it. Yeah. Anyway,
Nice, nice.
a memory it is. But yes, more Kenny videos, please. We have missed
Yes,
him.
please.
है ना?
Yes,
So,
absolutely.
chalo, let us know, guys. We've seen most of his older stuff, but if there's other comedians that we should get to, then we just go by your recommendations. DM me on Insta, है ना?
Correct,
And
correct.
check out Miss Bola's channel. It's linked below. It's on YouTube. She's podcasting.
Thank you. Thank you.
And we'll see you soon. Take care.
Yes.
Live long and
bye.
prosper.